Hello mga Fumie natings, mga ka-showran dyan. We're going to discuss for today how to create a Mac OS Bootable USB installer using Transmac. First of all, we need a bootable copy of Mac OS installer on a DMG format. So this time we're going to use Mac OS Yosemite for this video. Music please. After we obtain or getting a copy of the DMG installer, we go to the desktop and then select Transmac and then right click and then click Run as Administrator. For this video, I would prefer to use a 16 GB of storage using a verbatim USB flash drive. Before we create a bootable Mac OS installer, we make sure that the USB flash drive is already plugged in to our USB port. This is the application we are going to use. This is Transmac, an application for creating bootable Mac OS installer using Windows OS. Again, the requirements for this activity is a Windows desktop or laptop, a DMG copy of bootable Mac OS, and a flash drive. We're going to go to Tools and then refresh drive list. This will allow Transmac to detect a plugged-in USB flash drive. We're going to right-click the selected disk and then restore with disk image. Then click Yes. And then click the ellipsis button or the browse button and then search for the DMG copy of our Mac OS to be used. So from this video, we're going to use Yosemite for this video. And then click OK and then click Yes for confirmation. This is the actual progress of creating Mac OS bootable USB flash drive. We just completed creating Mac OS bootable USB flash drive, and then we're going to eject that flash drive so we would be able to safely remove the hardware. After we plug in our USB flash drive, press the power button and hold the Option key to proceed with macOS Boot Manager or menu. Release the Option key once you hear the Apple chimes and the boot menu appears. Select the macOS Bootable USB from here.